Hey everybody, I'm Robert, the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and I just got this Rick and Morty mystery box. Um, I basically just finished recording my last video, so I'm like, I have this mystery box. Let's just go through it. I just got it yesterday. I got it for free. I used some of my Gamestop points. I believe it's regularly $30. But since I have like millions of GameStop points, it's free for me. Anyways, I love Rick and Morty. I still have a ton of mystery boxes that I have to go through. I still have the Marvel ones; they're still sealed. I'll get to them eventually. I even have a new Ghostbuster one. I have a Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty, I believe it's called, and I have a Deadpool one. So you'll have a bunch of mystery boxes showing up pretty soon. Uh, I actually sold one of the mystery boxes that I opened on the last mystery box, which was a DC one. I sold some of that, so that wasn't my haul video, which will be the last video before this one. But anyways, let's see what's inside. I'm dying to know what's in this thing. I mean, I can't complain; it was free. But they still have a couple at the store, so if it's worthwhile, I can go and stock up. I mean, when they cost nothing with all my points, might as well buy a bunch and flip them on eBay. But yeah, I'm a big Rick and Morty fan, so let's get into this. Alright. Come on. Let's see. Looks cool. Looks like there's a whoopee cushion in there. 2 pops, and not sure what the rest is. I heard that all the boxes are the same of these, so I hope that's not true. But once I see what's inside, I will go online and check, because I don't want, if I'm going to buy a bunch of these boxes, I don't want just the same stuff over and over again. Okay, well, it's a Rick whoopee cushion. Huh? He is the king. Oh, he can't do it in the bag. Let's see if I can do it out the bag. Ah, dropped it. Huh, alright, well at least it works. Enough playing around. I hope you've watched Rick and Morty, because it's one of the best shows on TV. It is super great. Okay, we have TP. Nice. Let's see. It's a bunch of Ricks. Some real toilet paper. Okay, so I guess if I run out, I have some extra toilet paper. I'm not sure what toilet paper is doing in a Funko Pop box, but hey, well, I guess someone will like it. There's a little crown, you can see. Says he's the king again. Oh, it's a keychain. Pocket pop keychain. Let's see if I can get it out for you. Oh, don't want to rip it. Because if I don't like it, I'm going to resell it. It's stuck. Oh, there it goes. Come on. Should I put a timer on how long it takes me to get this little thing out of there? See, it's simple. It's meh. I mean, meh. So far, the box is meh. definitely not worth $30 yet. Alright, I'll fight with this later. What's next? Here is Tony. Let's see him. They have 4 different ones. Hologram Rick, Death Crystal, Morty, Kirkland, Meeseeks, and Teddy Rick. Here, let me show you the box. You can see what the other ones they have. I don't know if they're in the box, but that's what the box says. And last, I think that's it. One more pop and that's it. Well, it's kind of weak for a $30 box. And I don't know. I guess there's no Chase figures or Chase Pops. Maybe you have to buy more box for Chase Pops, but this is Rick with a crown. So I guess it has to do with the episode all about the poop. You haven't seen it? You go watch it. I'm not going to tell you about it. Not going to spoil it. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I mean, it's a quick video. Please subscribe. If you're new, give the video a thumbs up. And like I said, I'll have a bunch of mystery box unboxing soon. I mean, I'm just swamped. I have the bunch of games that I got that huge haul, and I've been listing like crazy the last few days. So it's been a rough last few days. It's a great day, great day because it's been selling a lot. But I mean, I'm mailing off like 100 games a day, so it's been a rough few days. So I'm getting these videos up as quickly as I can. Like I said, please give your video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't fiddle fart around. Get your listings up. Take care, guys.